Gentlemen, in exactly 5 days, we will be $100 billion richer.
You've been printing money.
Well, effectively.
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 You should do what the Chinese are doing. The Chinese are buying commodities. They're buying copper, oil, gold, silver, land. You know, if you look at my investment portfolio, I started investing in oil in 1966, real estate in 1973, and I have my own gold mine and my own silver mine. So if you're afraid of inflation, which you should be, I would think silver is the #1 investment today. Silver is a smoking deal. And silver at about $15, $16, $20 an ounce, average Joe can do it. You know, you just cut out your Starbucks for a while and go buy some silver. You're in the game. Silver is one of the biggest things against inflation you'll ever see.
Hey everyone, Paul McBride. Now listen, I've been watching the economy a little bit lately, and I've been watching some of the things that Bernanke's doing, and I recognize some trends that are emerging. I think you probably see them as well, but I want to point some things out to you. You know, the last few years with the economy, the big business bailouts, the amount of money that our Fed and our government's been printing, just enormous amounts, more than we've ever printed in our history. Some trends are emerging. You know, there's social welfare programs, there's more and more money that we keep spending on social welfare. All this money is not backed by anything. It has gotten so out of range and so out of control that it's causing our dollar to be devalued and weakened. And there's caused some other things because of that to rise in value. One of the things I think is really important that you should be investing in right now is gold and silver. It's been going up in value because our dollar is becoming worthless. Now, I have a home-based business where you can promote gold and silver assets. Now, here's what it is. Gold and silver assets. This is a MS-70 US Mint American Eagle silver coin. I think this is something that everybody should have some in their possession. Now, whether or not you have a lot or a little bit, it doesn't matter. I have a program where you can get a little bit of this every single month, and you can get paid to promote this to your friends. Now, this is not something where we want you to go dump $100,000 of your money into this, but this is something, obviously, that if you are a smart investor, you're aware of these trends, and that gold and silver is going up in value, and the dollar being weakened by the mass amounts of money that we're printing just has become worthless. And so this, in the long run, is something, especially in today's economy, that you need to have more of. Now, if this is something you don't want to do as a business, that's completely fine, I understand, but this is something that you should be having in your portfolio, something that is exactly what I'm promoting here today. We have no competition, the timing's right. You know, there's more and more people out there right now that are looking or interested in alternative incomes, and there's also more and more people that are interested in gold and silver today. So this is something I want you to look at. Check out my website. It's claimwealthnow.com. Go check it out, learn more about it. If it's not for you, that's okay, but you should at least be buying some somewhere to protect your fortune and your family's assets. I think this is something in the long run that if you don't take advantage of today, it'll probably hurt you in the long run.